In this video, I will explain the requirement of the class CET 475 highway design. So let us go to the Blackboard where I uploaded everything. Uh, but before that, let me tell you few sentences about the class. This class will be online in your own phase. There is no time requirement that you need to be on campus or you need to be in Zoom in a specific time. There is no such requirement, so you can go your own pace. So let me go to the Blackboard. So my Blackboard is here. Our class is 473. So okay, in the announcement I gave an announcement where I explained the entire course very shortly. So most of the cases I saw that online course is very complicated and not organized well, so that you can follow better. So here I tried to organize organize in a very simple way so that you can understand very clearly. Okay, so first step number one, open the course modules. I tried to dump all the materials in the course modules. So course modules is here. You can see here syllabus and more, instructor, exam, assignment. I did not use this folder because it will be so complicated. I put everything here. Just if you open this folder, you should be good. You will not miss anything. Everything is here. So that is something to note. Everything is in course modules, and the other folder you will use is my grade. Whatever grade you are earning, it will be here. These two folder you will use the most. And in announcement, I will announce some information time to time. So if you go to step number one, course modules folder, then find the syllabus, my contact information, my office hour, everything will be in the syllabus. I try to put everything in the same place. Then read the entire syllabus, and if you have any question, ask me. And then you start module 1. And before that, I wrote something. There will be 8 modules in 15 weeks. So we will get roughly 2 weeks. Not for all, maybe first 6 modules 12 weeks, and the rest 2 modules in 3 weeks. And every module has a deadline. That is also important. Every module has a deadline. You can finish the module early, but you cannot go late. In Blackboard it is timed, so you must finish it before the deadline. So if I open course modules, you can see the syllabus is here, and then modules 1, module 2, module 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 modules, and every module has a deadline. So if I open the syllabus, if I go scroll down to the module directly, you can see here module 1 DU96. It means that anything here, whatever the quiz you have, whatever the exam, whatever the requirement, you must finish it by that time. I will write sometimes here. Okay, so module 1 will be due September 6, 2 will be 20, that means 2 weeks, another one October 4th, October 18. So this way you have to finish it. Okay, okay, let me finish it first. So module 1, what is this? Is chapter 1 and chapter 2 of our textbook. In this module there is a quiz. Quiz will have 20 question, 20 MCQ, multiple choice question. I wrote here 5 hours. Again, this number of quiz may change depending on the time. If I get more time, I will upload more. If I do not get time, I will upload less, and the time I will adjust. Now you do not need 5 hours to take this 20 MCQ question, but I will give you more time so that you can go back to your book, read again, solve a problem, and then answer it, so that you can take the quiz in a relaxed way. Okay, I will discuss it again just quickly. Then if I go back to the syllabus, originally, yes, my name, my phone number, there's no office hour. If you go to my office in the building, technology building, you will not find me. I will stay at home. So my office hour will be online. My prepared meeting time is 3 to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday, but I will be available morning to afternoon, and almost every day I will be available, but this is my prepared time. Text me if you have a very short or quick question. Text me. If the question is long, email me. You can email to my CSU Pueblo email address also, but sometimes this email gets down, so I prefer Gmail. And if you need to talk to me via like Zoom, text me so that I can send you a Zoom invitation so we can discuss. So no way you can feel lonely, and no way you can tell that you could not get hold of the instructor. I am always available 7 days, morning to evening, even at night I work, but this is my prepared time, 3 to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. And if you text me, I will get back to you as soon as possible, hopefully within half an hour. Email is faster. Other thing to tell, why not in the morning? Because in the morning I make the video, I evaluate your homework, quiz, everything. So morning I work for you, but I upload everything. In the afternoon I'm little available to talk, so afternoon is better. Okay, the class structure is online, 8 modules in 15 weeks. Then something else important is drop period September 7, 2 weeks. If you do not like me, or if you do not like the class, you can drop it before September 7th. In 2 weeks, there's the other deadline from the full-term course. I actually do not know full-term course means what. Maybe you can drop this class, but with some penalty. Okay, textbook. This textbook is available in bookstore, Amazon. We need this textbook. Then the class requirement here. So 8 modules. Every module has a due date. This is important. You can finish this module earlier. You do not need to go on the boundary. So every module is roughly 2 weeks. I will try to upload all the materials within 3-4 days of the starting of the modules. That means every module is 2 weeks, so I will try to upload within first 3-4 days. I will upload the lecture, the exam, everything, so that you can finish early. Do not go to the deadline, because if the internet gets down, if the Blackboard goes down, you cannot tell me that I could not submit it because something did not work. But yes, if something did not work, I will consider, but it will be a problem for me because I need to go to Blackboard. Exactly, I do not know how to extend the deadline, but try to finish it 1 or 2 days early. That way you will be feeling better also. Again, the number of MCQ question and time, it may change anytime depending on situation. I just wrote here about my idea. You can see as a quiz 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quizzes. There will be midterm exam on 4th week and final exam on 8th week. So in 8th week, actually there is nothing to study. There is no specific topic, but we will try to discuss whatever is left from here or something else also. In module 4, there is no quiz, but there is a midterm. Midterm is also MCQ. Final exam is not MCQ, is paper pencil based. Okay, then MCQ and then final exam. Okay, anything else? Grading, that is important to you. The grading scale, whatever university gave me, I will follow that. 94 to 100 A, 90 to 93 A minus. I think you know the scale. And some question like, if you get 93 point on, what will happen? I will round up for sure, but 93.1 means actually this, but I typically go up. If whatever you give a fraction of 93 point something, I will consider 94. This is important. If no student obtains the grade A, scores of all students will be increased by factor, so that at least one student obtain the grade A. Yes, in this way, if you tell that, okay, my grading is hard, my question is hard, so you did not do good, this is not an excuse, because say the highest score in the class is 50 out of 100. within 100%, the top score is 50%. Then what I will do, I will add 44% to everybody, so that who got the 50, he will get 94. So my grading is hard, my question is hard. This should not be an excuse. So everybody will be treated in the same way. At least one student will get A. In that way, I can confirm that yes, my grading or exam, it is logical. Okay, so some university requirement here. Something else to tell, that if you have any difficulty regarding COVID, if you need more time, if you need to go for quarantine, yes, let me know, so that I can help you, accommodate your need based on the situation. But again, do not lose the contract. Okay, so syllabus is done. If I go to now, if I open module on, what you will see first module on text lecture. Text lecture means I wrote something, as it is online, I cannot tell. So module on, read chapter 1 or 2, PowerPoint slide I uploaded, take the MCQ by September 6th. Yeah? And here the text lecture means just whatever I say in the class, I try to write it here. So first 3 paragraphs for chapter 1, and the rest is chapter 2. So if you read this chapter or this text lecture first, you will get the idea of the chapter, the overall impression. So I will recommend you to read the text lecture first, because these are the sentences that I typically tell in the class. Okay, so if I go back, so if there is a text lecture, do it first, compulsory. Then some reading and viewing. Read chapter 1 and 2. So you can see here, whatever chapter 1 and 2 I again wrote here, because I am repeating the requirement again and again, so that you do not lose. Then I will upload some video lecture based on chapter and chapter 2. Whatever I can do every week, I will try to upload some video in the YouTube and give you the link here. Now this is very important for me, for you, because yes, if you do not watch it, if you just read the book, if you understand everything, is good, no problem. But this will help you if you watch the video first, read the text lecture first, then it will be easier for you for the exam. Exam is here. And something else, there is no homework, so it's good for you. Okay, now PowerPoint slide. I will upload PowerPoint slide every week. It is up to you. You can see that there are different ways you can get the material. Number 1, text lecture. Number 2, video lecture. Number 3, PowerPoint slide. Number 4 is your own textbook. So the textbook, I wrote it, so it is very plain language, very easy language, because I cannot write hard English. In fact, my English is not good, so I cannot write hard English. So the book is very easy. Lot of examples, some sample FE exam question, so it is very helpful. Now, so I recommend to read the text lecture for every module. I wrote compulsory because it's very important. YouTube is also very important to me, because say the lecture is 10 minutes. To make the 10 minutes video, I had to take preparation half an hour early, make everything ready, then video record the lecture, then process it and upload it in the YouTube. So 10 minutes video, I need at least 2 hours. So the reason I am investing this 2 hours, because it is important. So you should not feel lonely, or you should not feel away, like similar to the classroom. I try to give you any information you need, that I give you in the class. Okay, so now hopefully you are understood this quiz. You must finish it by the deadline of the module. Now something else, there should be time. You can see here I wrote here 7 hours. In the syllabus I wrote most probably 5 hours. Yes, 5 hours. Which one is correct? I do not know. If you click here, it will show you more time. Actually 7 hours, because whatever the time here, that is set in the exam. But I will change the time. And you must take this exam. Okay, something else. If 7 hours means what? Can you do 1 hour today, 1 hour tomorrow, 1 hour day after tomorrow? No. Whenever you start, you must finish within 7 hours. Within 7 hours, you can sign off and go away, come back. But if you go away and come back, that time will be counted. That means you studied 1 hour, submitted 3 questions, then you took a pause, went to washroom somewhere, came back after 1 hour. That 1 hour is already gone. That means the time will start from 3rd hour. So this way, yes. So you'll get total 7 hours to complete, but you should not need 7 hours. It's just I gave more time so that you can do it in a relaxed way. That is something. Other thing, if you make a mistake, there is some partial score. That means depending on the question, roughly it is 40%. If you correct a question, you will get full point. If you make a mistake, you will get roughly 40%. Sometimes less, sometimes more, depending on the question. For example, if I say which of the following is the correct Poisson ratio of the material. Now I give 4 options. One option is 7 and you clicked 7. So should I give partial? To my logic, no, because Poisson ratio can be maximum 0.5. If you click 7, that means you have no idea. It is totally off. So in that cases, I gave you less partial, say 20%, 30%. But sometimes I gave like 90%, 80%, depending on the question. So hopefully you understood. Okay, and let me know if you have more question. You should have many questions because it's online and first time, and also first time I am offering this class online. So I do not know what might happen in the class. You may follow, you may not follow. So we will change everything in the syllabus if the class needs. So, but whatever I will do, I will let you know, and that will be better for you. Okay, so I think you understood. Start module 1, and similarly module 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Final exam will be in the module 8. So no more today. We will see you in another video. Thank you.